Speak English naturally. 75 Daily Sentences for Real Life, Part 2. Welcome to Part 2 of your daily English practice. In this lesson, you'll learn 75 more useful English sentences for travel, shopping, feelings, and daily conversations. Repeat after me and shadow my voice. The more you practice, the more fluent and confident you'll sound. Let's keep learning together, step by step, every day. Welcome back, my friend. You're doing amazing. Let's continue practicing your daily English. I'll say each sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Topic: about you. Repeat after me. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. Which city do you live in? Which city do you live in? I live in Lahore. I live in Lahore. Do you like living here? Do you like living here? Yes, it's a nice place. Yes, it's a nice place. How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? I've lived here for 2 years. I've lived here for 2 years. Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I visited Dubai once. Yes, I visited Dubai once. Good job. Now travel and directions. Don't forget to repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How can I get to the train station? How can I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? I'd like a return ticket, please. I'd like a return ticket, please. Does this bus go to the city center? Does this bus go to the city center? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? The traffic is very heavy today. The traffic is very heavy today. It takes 1 hour to get there. It takes 1 hour to get there. Well done, keep it up. Move to topic is shopping. Don't be shy to repeat after me. I need to buy some clothes. I need to buy some clothes. Can I try this shirt on? Can I try this shirt on? Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a bigger size? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? It's too expensive for me. It's too expensive for me. Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? This one looks really nice. This one looks really nice. I like the color of this jacket. I like the color of this jacket. I'll take it, please. I'll take it, please. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Nice job, keep going. Topic: apologizing and thanking. Let's repeat after me. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. It won't happen again. It won't happen again. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome. Happy to help. You're welcome. Happy to help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. Great job. Keep it up like that. Now topic: health and feelings. Repeat after me for speak English fluently. I don't feel very well today. I don't feel very well today. I think I need some rest. I think I need some rest. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Get well soon. Get well soon. I'm studying English to get better. I'm studying English to get better. I try to learn new words every day. I try to learn new words every day. I listen to English songs for practice. I listen to English songs for practice. I sometimes write short stories in English. I sometimes write short stories in English. Speaking is difficult, but I keep trying. Speaking is difficult, but I keep trying. I want to sound more natural. I want to sound more natural. I practice with my friends online. I practice with my friends online. It's not easy, but it's fun. It's not easy, but it's fun. Step by step, I'm improving. Step by step, I'm improving. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Well done, we move to topic. Passing conditional sentences. Don't forget to repeat after me. I was reading when the phone rang. I was reading when the phone rang. She was cooking while I was cleaning. She was cooking while I was cleaning. They were talking loudly in the park. They were talking loudly in the park. It was raining all day yesterday. It was raining all day yesterday. I wasn't listening carefully. I wasn't listening carefully. He was sleeping when I called. He was sleeping when I called. We were waiting for the bus for an hour. We were waiting for the bus for an hour. I was walking home when it started to rain. I was walking home when it started to rain. She was studying when her friend arrived. She was studying when her friend arrived. What were you doing last night? What were you doing last night? If it rains, we will stay at home. If it rains, we will stay at home. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. If I have time, I will call you. If I have time, I will call you. If you are busy, I can wait. If you are busy, I can wait. If I were rich, I would travel the world. If I were rich, I would travel the world. If I were you, I would try again. If I were you, I would try again. If we leave now, we will be on time. If we leave now, we will be on time. If she calls, tell her I'm not here. If she calls, tell her I'm not here. If I had more money, I would buy a car. If I had more money, I would buy a car. If I had studied, I would have passed the test. If I had studied, I would have passed the test. Nice job. Topic: goodbyes and communication. Repeat after me. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great day. See you again soon. See you again soon. Please keep in touch. Please keep in touch. Let me know if you need help. Let me know if you need help. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Talk to you tomorrow. Talk to you tomorrow. Take care, my friend. Take care, my friend. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. Great job. Topic: learning and motivation. Let's repeat after me. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? How do you spell that word? How do you spell that word? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? How do you pronounce this correctly? How do you pronounce this correctly? Can you correct my sentence? Can you correct my sentence? I often forget words when I speak. I often forget words when I speak. Sometimes I feel nervous in English. Sometimes I feel nervous in English. It's getting easier every day. It's getting easier every day. I can understand more than before. I can understand more than before. I will not give up learning. I will not give up learning. Well done, you have repeat after me. Keep listening the sentences again and again, so can speak fluently. Closing message: great job. You just practices 150 useful English sentences in two-part of video with me. Amazing work. Remember, the more you repeat, the more confident and natural your English will become. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe your channel, Easy English Journey. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, step by step, you're improving every single day. See you in the next video. Take care, my friend.